Hey, what's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am, of course, living my dream trading. Very quick impromptu video. I just finished doing the recap for my trades today in my cash account, my day trading account. And during the intro, I mentioned a trade that I took in my IRA account on a particular stock. This was HUT. HUT. Not something that most people would probably think that I would trade if you've ever looked at this thing. It was trading under $1 this morning, but I looked at the chart and I liked it. So went on and I took a trade. Let me go ahead, get ThinkorSwim pulled up. I already got this chart pulled up. Let me come over here and kind of bring this over. And I just want to look at this trade real quick, man. This is one that kind of hurts. This kind of hurts, especially when you get a trade that just works. So if you notice this morning, this trade was kind of just consolidating. And if you come down and look at the 1 minute chart, you kind of see it was kind of just range trading between, let's say, 99.68. These little dollar stocks, penny stocks, they crazy because they go out 4 digits. But it was kind of just range trading between this range right here. So I looked at and I said, if this can break $1, this has good movement. And if it could break, like, actually it's more so like 99.99 something. I ended up getting in this thing pre-market. I got in pre-market. I got in at 99.5. I know these penny stocks, it's like crazy, but yeah, I got in 99.5. And if you notice, I took 200 shares. So that meant I had a 5-cent stop. So my stop was down here, and look what's down there. Previous high of day line. So my stop was going to be down here. And I got in the trade and I put a bracket in. Somehow it dropped my bracket on 98 cents. And it wouldn't let me change it, y'all. I tried to cancel the brackets and it still had it in there. And I'm like, what is going on? What is up with ThinkorSwim? Market opens. So now I'm like, okay, the market is open. Let me go ahead and try to change my bracket real quick. Nope. Boop, comes down, tags my bracket, and off to the races it goes. Let's see what time it stopped me out. It's not going to show it there. Dang it. Want to see what time it actually stopped me out. Does it say it? Nah, it doesn't. But stops me out right when the market opens. Again, my stop is supposed to be 5 cents, 94 cents, 95 cents. Let's look at what this thing did. It went $1.15. It went 3R. This thing went 3R. I took this in my IRA account because it was one that I kind of based on. Let me pull the hourly up real quick. Based on the hourly, I liked the way that this chart looked. Back up to $1.23. You see the curl that it did? That's what I saw when I was looking at this chart. It was on the gap scanner for my dollar stocks, or penny stocks, I guess I should say. So I liked that curl, and I'm like, okay, in basically over $1. I ended up getting in pre-market. This has room back up to $1.23 on a 5-cent stop. That's 4R. Let's take it in the IRA account and let's just hold it. And we got basically 3R out of it the first day. It's curled back down in the pre-market and it's curling back up again. So I could just be holding this and try to push it out. Could have maybe got out of 150 shares somewhere up in here today and then let the last 50 kind of ride. But I wanted to make a quick video real quick because I didn't discuss that anymore inside of my trade recap. But I figured I'd make a video, let y'all see exactly what the trade was. Thanks for checking me out. As always, we'll be back again at it again tomorrow. Peace.